Hello everyone, welcome back to Digger Evans. It's just a really short video. I'm having a running session. It's a lovely day. It's warm in the shed, but I'm having a running session. I've been tinkering about with the track. This is the class 60 that I got from Rails of Sheffield on an oil train. I don't know where all this oil's for. They keep going around in circles with it. Super duper. Last time. Just watch it come past. Lovely. Right, that's it for now folks. Thank you all very much for looking in. Appreciate it. I'll catch you all soon. Bye bye for now.